in what other ways can a certification impact someone's career?
The certification, like I said before, very much a feather in your cap, but it sets you apart from your peers, or in some cases may get your resume on the top of the stack. There's a lot of companies right now that are looking for lubrication professionals, reliability professionals, and they even put in here, it would be nice to see some level of certification, whether that's a lubrication certification, MLA I, MLT I, something of that nature. But one of the things that I think is most impactful, and I absolutely love, because I've been at Noria long enough now that I've had people that have got these certifications and have absolutely transformed their careers. They have moved from maybe an entry level when they were doing lubrication work or maintenance work into management roles, into corporate roles. I even hear from them, hey, the plant has really turned around, and now when I'm off work, there's not a lot of callbacks. So, I mean, even their personal life, has gotten better. So that's a big impact for me.
So certifications can be life-changing.
That's absolutely true.